people, welcome back to Politics Watch. Now, as we hear that a member of the JDF get locked up in connection with some criminal activities that were happening in Spanish Town, and basically everybody know about the Klansman crew, but it has been split in two, with one side being loyal to Tesha Miller and the next side being loyal to Blackman. And the side that loyal to Blackman has created basically their own faction and call themselves the One Dan Gang. Now, police carried out an operation and arrested several individuals, and one of them was a member of the JDF. Now, if you notice, especially this year, the JDF has been getting caught up in these activities, get caught up in our criminal activities very frequently. Especially this year, it come like almost every week we hear about a new one. Now, we've always known that the police force has had problems with criminals in uniform, but we never really hear that much about JDF. So you might be wondering what is going on. I'll tell you what is going on. The JDF is being infiltrated by criminals. Right? A lot of these youths who come from certain place and are a part of certain organizations, they join the JDF. They get the skills, the knowledge, the experience from the JDF, and then they use it to better the gang that they are loyal to. Right. This is why you're constantly hearing about people from places like Clarendon, Manchester, St. Catherine. You keep hearing that JDF members are getting caught up in illicit activities. This is not by accident, and this is not coincidence. Youths are now joining JDF just so that they can get the training, get the knowledge, and then help their criminal brethren back in the civilian world. Also, the JDF recruiting process, I think it's definitely changed over the years. We have to realize that a lot of youths are now unemployed, right? And a lot of the youths join the JDF just to get a work, right? Just to eat a food. There is no longer this sense of pride in serving in the JDF. There used to be, being a member of the JDF used to be one of the most respected jobs in Jamaica. When you hear that somebody was in the JDF, people used to give them this immediate respect. That is not the case anymore. JDF is slowly but surely heading down the same path as the JCF. I see a future where JDF members will be looked upon just like how people look upon police nowadays, right? You never used to ask yourself the question, can I trust this soldier? You never used to ask yourself that question, but nowadays you have to. You have to realize, when I tell you that the people who did the Maypen heist are soldiers, based on how we saw them operate on the video. At the time, some people were acting like this is mind-blowing news, and I get it. We never really hear say soldiers were mixing up and things like that. But you have to realize this is 2019, right? The youth them nowadays, when them now have nothing to do, and just join the JDF. The problem is some of them can't shake the lifestyle that they had before, right? Because some of them they mixed up in a badness before, and them join the JDF. And now not only are they still a bad man, but now they are a well-trained bad man, which is worse than a normal 87 Octane. Right. Remember when the Spanish Town thing went down and people were talking about rogue cops? The only thing worse than a rogue cop is a rogue soldier. Right. Mark these words. The only thing worse than a rogue cop is a rogue soldier. So we're going to keep hearing about JDF members getting caught up in these kind of things. Just listen out for the rest of 2019, 2020. You're going to just like Bob Marley say, you're going to tired to see my face, or you're going to tired to hear the JDF name mix up in things like this. As I said, too many youths are joining the JDF just because them now have nothing to do. right? And these youths are easy to recruit for certain gangs, right? And them come from the same place as the youth them who carry out badness. They went to school with these youths. They know them from them little bit. So they have a greater emotional connection to their fellow 87 Octanes than they do the JDF. So don't think that is accident. All of a sudden you're constantly hearing about JDF members getting thrown in the spotlight. It's only going to get worse, right? Unfortunately, as I said, it looks like JDF is going down the route of the police. We have to go start to see and start one and look over our shoulder, right? When we see people in camouflage, like we do when we see people in blue denim. So that is what's going on, people. The JDF has been infiltrated, or is being infiltrated by criminals. It's only going to get worse. This is where Jamaica is heading, right? Anyway, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, right? Patreon squad, big up on yourself every time. Bless.